Hi children, today we are going to learn 6th mathematics chapter 1 knowing our numbers. In this lesson we are going to learn the topics estimation and round off. In this video we are going to cover the topics rounding off to nearest tens, to nearest hundreds, to nearest thousands. First, we are going to learn rounding off nearest tens. Take one's digit, compare with 5. If less than 5, replace one's digit by 0. If the one's digit is equal to or greater than 5, replace one's digit by 0, increase tens digit by 1. For example, take 63. Now we are going to round off to nearest tens. Take one's digit, that is 3. When you compare with 5, that is less than 5, so replace one's digit by 0. So we will get 60. Then second one, 297. Here one's digit is 7. So when you are going to round off to nearest tens, 7 is greater than 5. So replace one's digit by 0 and increase tens digit by 1. So we'll get 300. Exercise 1.4. Round off to nearest tens. Here that is given 7. Compare with 5. That is 7 is greater than 5. So replace one's digit as 0 and increase 1 in the 10th place. Yes, that is 1's place 7 is greater than 5. Now you can write 7 is round off to nearest tens, that is equal to 10. 82. Here take one's digit, isn't it? Yes, one's place equal to, that is 2. When you compare with 5, 2 is less than 5. That means replace one's digit as 0. So we'll get 80. 197. Now one's place is 7. So when you compare with 5, that is 7 is greater than 5. So one's place become 0 and increase 1 in the 10th place. Here we have 197 is round off to nearest tens equal to 200. 5244. Here one's digit equal to 4. Am I right? Yes. Now compare with 5. When you compare with 5, 4 is less than 5. So replace one's digit as 0. That means 5244 is round off to nearest 10, will get 5240. Round off nearest hundreds. Tens digit, take tens digits, compare with 5. If less than 5, replace tens and ones digit by 0. If it is equal or greater than 5, replace tens and ones digit by 0. Increase hundreds digit by 1. For example, take 687. Now take 10th digit when you are going to round off nearest 100. Now compare with 5. 8 is greater than 5. So replace tens and ones digit by 0 and increase hundreds digit by 1. So we will get 700. Then 512. Here take 10th digit, that is 1. When you are comparing with 5, 1 is less than 5, so replace tens and ones digit by 0. That means we'll get 500. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Take 78. Now we are going to take 10th place, that is 7. Compare with 5, 7 is greater than 5. So replace tens and ones digit by 0 and increase hundreds digit by 1. So 78 round off to nearest hundreds will get 100. 336. Now take 10th place, that is 3, compare with 5. 3 is less than 5. So 336 is round off to nearest 100. So replace 0 in the 10th and 100 place. That means we'll get 300. 4501. Now tens place, that is 0, compare with 5. 0 is less than 5. So 4501 is round off to nearest 100. That means less than 5 means we want to replace tens and ones digit by 0, isn't it? Yes. So we'll get 4500. 6890. Here also we can take 10th place, that is 9. 9 compare with 5, that is 9 is greater than 5. As you know that rules, so 6890 is round off to nearest 100. So replace tens and ones place by 0 and increase 100 digit by 1. So we will get 6900. Round off nearest thousands. Take hundreds digit, compare with 5. If less than 5, replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0. If 100 digit is equal to or greater than 5, replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0. Increase thousands digit by 1. For example, take 3401. Now we are going to round off to nearest thousand. Now take 100 digit, that is 4. Compare with 5. So 4 is less than 5. Replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0. So we'll get 3000. Now we'll take 78,991. Round off to nearest thousand. Take 100 digits, that is 9. Compare with 5. 9 is greater than 5. Replace hundreds, tens and ones digit by 0. Increase thousands digit by 1. So we'll get 79,000. Round off to the nearest thousands. 710. Now we are going to take hundreds place, that is 7. Compare with 5. That is 7 is greater than 5. That means replace hundreds, tens and ones place by 0. Increase thousands place by 1. So 710 is round off to nearest thousands, will get 1000. 4207. Now we'll take 100 place, that is 2. Compare with 5. 2 is less than 5. So replace hundreds, tens and ones place by 0. So we'll get 4207 is round off to nearest 1000. We'll get 4000. 59,892. Now take 100 place, that is 8, compare with 5, 8 is greater than 5, replace hundreds, tens and ones place by 0 and increased thousands place by 1. So 59,892 is round off to nearest thousand, will get 60,000. 3,32,512. Now take 100 place, that is 5. When you are comparing with 5, that is equal, isn't it? Yes, 5 equal to 5. That means replace hundreds, tens and ones place by 0 and increase 100 place by 1. That means 3,32,512 is round off to nearest thousand, will get 3,33,000. Round off 162, 98 and 689 to nearest tens. After rounding off, add them. Round off the sum of to the nearest hundred. Look at this question. There are three numbers and we want to round off to nearest 10. Then we have to add, then find the sum. After finding that sum, we want to convert it into nearest hundreds. Yes, do you understand? Yes. Now, going to round off to nearest 10. So, take 162 is round off to nearest 10. That is ones digit. That is 2. Compare with 5. That is less than 5. So, we get 160. Now take 98 is round off to nearest 10. Take 1's place, that is 8, compare with 5. 8 is greater than 5, so 1's place becomes 0 and we can add 1 in the 10th place, isn't it? So we'll get 100. Now 689 is round off to nearest 10. So 9 is greater than 5, so replace one's digit by 0 and increase 10th digit by 1. That means we'll get 690. Now we are going to add these three numbers. Okay. Yes. After rounding off, add them. So now we are going to add 160 plus 100 plus 690, will get 9050. 9050 round off to nearest 100 will get 1000. Thank you.